value your time, I value your participation, I value everything that you do, and I encourage you that you are very important to me and also to yourself and to your family. The family looks up to you as their role model. Therefore, today it is a wonderful day where I want to present to you and demonstrate how to do genetic diagrams in biology. Now, I want also to let you know that from the knowledge that you have acquired in biology and genetics, let us now handle this question in case you are asked to do a similar question in an exam. So, figure 1.1 shows the inheritance of hemophilia in a family. Hemophilia is a genetic disease that is passed on from one generation to the next generation, and this next generation also passes to the other generation within the family. It doesn't jump from one family to the other family in the neighborhood. It doesn't. It passes through the blood. Now we have to look at the key. What does the key say? Square simply means male hemophilia key. Circle means the female hemophilia key. And also these unshaded ones, they mean normal male, normal female. Now let's look at this question. Taking the alleles for hemophilia to be X with the recessive allele, what is the genotype of the offsprings 3 and 7? So without wasting your precious time, so you will write offspring, or I will write offspring 3 as well as offspring. When we talk about the offspring, we mean the children that are born, or a child that is born. So, offspring 3, which is a female, and here they are saying female hemophilia. Now, because hemophilia is passed on from one generation to the other through the sex cells, therefore, a female produces in her egg during copulation and fertilization the XX chromosome. It is through the XX chromosomes that hemophilia is passed on or inherited by a certain generation from another generation. So now they have told us to say whoever has hemophilia, they should have the X with the superscript recessive. So in this case, I'm going to write the subscript in that form. That means this is a person who inherits similar alleles from the parents, and this, if they are recessive, is a homozygous female hemophilia. That is what it means. Then males, this is, this is supposed to be 3, and this is supposed to be 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have this 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So this is offspring 3, which is here, offspring 3, which is number 3, and then offspring 7, who happens to be a male, according to this normal male. So of course, the normal male will write X. Instead of writing small letter, he will write the capital letter H, and then read it like that. That is normal male. Normal male. Then this is a female hemophilia, female hemophilia, and that is the arrangement. Let's go to the question, the following question. It says offspring 3 then marries a person from outside, they meet, and then is a male, this a female marries a male who is normal, like the way they are here. So they want us to show, using a genetic diagram, the genotypes and the phenotypes. So what is the procedure? Procedure is that you write E1, then you say phenotype, so meaning parents, phenotype, which is the first generation, where you are inheriting. Then what is this? The offspring 3. Offspring 3 happens if you can write offspring 3, or because they are parents, so you can now name them as female haemophiliac. So I'm going to write this female haemophiliac, female haemophiliac. So I've written them. We have normal male, that's what you write. So I've written normal male. The next thing you're going to do is P1 genotype, like what you have written here. These are the genotypes. So the genotype for each, so you just get this. So for the female, you have to write XX. So with those in the middle, you write multiplication sign, and here you write XH, calculator H, X, Y, and then you write gametes, that's the procedure, gametes. Then you separate this, you branch them off, so write them like this, and then here you write like that, and then Y, okay? Then during the copulation, there's a fusion of male and female gametes. This is what happens now where inheritance really occurs. If you are inheriting downers from your parents, this is the time that you inherit downers. If you are inheriting intelligence from your parents, this is how you inherit intelligence from your parents under fertilization. So the egg cell with the X superscript recessive will cross with the sperm cell with a normal X cell. So you have a child who will have the following genotypes. Then the same time also come, and then you are going to have a child who has got the X, H, Y, and then what happens, you have another pregnancy where you are going to have another child in that accord and that order, and then you have this child who has got the XY chromosome. So, having written like this, what I write in here, write F1, not P1. Here you write first generation because these are the children that you give birth to. Okay, so F1 generation or genotype, F1 generation or genotype, and then F1 phenotype. How do they look? Their appearance, their genetic appearance. So this XX is called a female. So we have female. Now, what does this mean? This is, take note of this. This is X, H, H. This is the X, H, X, H. All these are normal female. Okay? So here we have one normal female. So we have normal female. But again, this same normal, especially I'm going to single out this one here. This can also be called carrier, female carrier. Why? There are two genes, different genes, this one and this one. Dominant and recessive. So a person who inherits a dominant allele and a recessive allele, this person can be called a carrier or heterozygous. It's called a heterozygous. Okay? I hope you are very much following. So away from this one, we have another part which is here. Now XY, that is male, and because the X chromosome has been attacked by hemophilia, that means male, hemophilia. Coming here, again is the female, because the female has been at one X chromosome has been attacked, just like the one X chromosome has been attacked, that is female haemophilic. And lastly, this is the male. Remember, sorry, this is supposed to be not haemophiliac, but normal female. Normal female. This is supposed to be normal female. Okay? And this is male haemophiliac. Okay? Haemophiliac. Male haemophiliac. Male haemophiliac. Now, the only thing that you should know is that this normal female has a probability of passing the hemophilia to another generation, provided that one is also a carrier. So this is a normal female carrier. This is a normal female carrier too. These are all affected or infected. What is the probability? The first thing that you need to do is count how many are normal and how many are abnormal, or those that have got a problem or exist. So we have normal 1 and normal 2. So out of what? There are 4 here. There are 4. So you're going to say probability is equal to 2 out of 4, which is going to give you 1 over 2. And or you can leave, instead of leaving in a flag shape, you can leave it in a decimal, 0.5. Or if you want to leave that the answer in percentages, you can say 1 over 2 times 100%, which gives you 50%. That's what you're going to do. Now, what is the probability of them having a child who is a carrier? The probability of having a child who is a carrier, again, you need to look at it. Is this a carrier? Yes, of course, because there is this smaller h, and also we've seen here, this is not a carrier. Males are not carriers, only females. So even here, so we have 2 who are carriers. So again, you're going to say probability is equal to 2 over 4, which is going to give you, if you want to further divide, that is 1 over 2, or 0.5, or 50%, just like we did here. That is one thing that you should know. Now, males are not carriers. They are attacked, and once they are attacked, it means that they're going to be infected. Why? Because they do not have a set of similar X cells, X chromosomes. They only have 1 X chromosome. And hemophilia is able to attack only the X chromosomes and not the Y chromosomes. No wonder males are vulnerable to suffer from hemophilia than the females, because then when one X chromosome is attacked, they still survive the other X chromosome, because this X chromosome is capable of carrying out the functions that this other affected X chromosome is carrying. But males, once they attacked, meaning that only the Y chromosomes will remain, and it cannot perform the functions of the X chromosomes. No wonder males are vulnerable to suffer from sex-linked diseases than the females. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe, of course, to my YouTube channel, and also like my Facebook page. Remember to share this video and encourage your friends to invite more friends, and you to invite more friends. Until next time, thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.